Hey, what's up? This is Derek Collins, and I'm here to talk to you about why most people fail in their court-mandated business or trying to get it started. So don't let this happen to you. So the big thing is this right here: fear. Fear. That is the number one reason why people do not succeed.
And why is that?
I have no idea. They're not the one in trouble, but they're acting like they're the ones in trouble. They act like they're the ones going to probation in court. You're the professional. There's nothing to be afraid of. Provide the evaluation, provide the class, provide the service, get paid, and move on with your life. There's no reason to be afraid. Also, they're afraid to invest money. If you're a cheat, if you're afraid to invest in your business, in your team, in your staff, it's not going to work out for you. You're going to have to spend money to make money, or I should say invest money to make money. There's no way around it. You're going to have to put money in your business and put money in advertising, put money in your team, buy supplies, computers. Kiana, I just bought another computer.
Right.
You got like 3 or 4 computers in your office. We got printers, we got all kinds of craziness. We're running out of ink left and right, supplies, drug tests, things of that nature. They're always running out. You're going to have to spend money. You need curriculum, workbooks, all that stuff. Everything costs. Soap, paper towels, you name it. You're going to have to spend money. Do not spend more money on your education than you do your business. It makes 0 sense. You got a student loan for your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, your PhD, well, get a loan for your business. Stop playing it safe. Get yourself out there, make it happen. So if you don't want to be a broke therapist, invest money in your business, practice brave thinking, and be courageous, okay? Do it anyway. I know you're afraid, but guess what? The treasure that you seek is in the cave that you're afraid to enter. So go ahead, go into that cave and stop being scared and go get your money.